Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. It's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Got pushing 4 days worth of growth. Haven't done any shave videos in a while. It's feeling a little poopy. Just had some stuff going on. All right, today's shave soap is this mystery shave soap along with a matching splash. As a content creator, sometimes you're sent things for review, and sometimes it's a little bit early and you're sworn to secrecy. I will not reveal anything, who makes it, what it is, none of that stuff. But it was one of those things that I just couldn't wait to shave with it. And I know you're interested in what the scent notes might be. And I'll do the thumbnail right now. But the scent notes are going to be beep. And man, it's going to be a killer fragrance that a lot of people are going to rush to the website and get. At least I recommend it. Today's razor is going to be this Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Prismatic Razor loaded with a Gillette silver blue, and I already have that soap whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. And I'm using this beautiful Trotter's handcraft brush that matches the painter's tape. Anyway, I figured today would be a good day to create a little buzz and get people thinking and talking and asking questions, because I always love getting my viewers interactions and seeing what they think and what they like. And you know, it's just fun. That's part of the hobby. And though there are some people that just want to be the keyboard warriors and say different things and whatever, it really doesn't bother me, because I expect that. What I didn't expect is this awesome scent. And when you see the label, it will really drive it home. All right, pass number 1 with the grain. I might get into a little bit of trouble for this, but it's a risk I'm willing to take. I really think that promotion of soaps and splashes sometimes can be needed a little bit earlier than the actual release date. That's just my opinion. I'm not a businessman, I'm just a shaver. And as you can see, this Prismatic, it has no problems with this blade, or matter of fact, a lot of blades. It does an excellent job. And for me, this is a razor that is really overlooked. And I'm not sure why. The price point on it is very affordable. I haven't looked at the prices lately, but in the $20 to $30 range-ish. Can't remember what it was now. 29, I think, or something, somewhere right around there. It's a steal of a deal. It's one of those razors that I could use daily. And if this was my only razor, or if something happened and I lost all my other razors but this one, I would be happy with it. And I would not need to look any further or replace anything. Wow. Now the scent on this, off the tub, my wife was a little she's a hard fragrance pleaser. I think I should say that. But she just said, it's okay. And I will have to say that when I wore it out the other night, she asked me what it was I was wearing because she liked it. So smelling scents off the tub is not always going to give you an accurate aroma of that scent. So I'll cover that in another video. Pass number 2, across the grain. Yeah, I was starting to get that kind of itchy feeling, if you know that feeling when you're starting to grow a beard, which I wasn't. But kind of that stage for me of like, I want to grow a beard, but I need to make it past this, and I just don't want to feeling. If I would have waited probably 2 more days, 3 more days, I would have gotten past that part. I don't know if you guys had saw, some of you I know are on Instagram, but Friday I had smoked a pork butt and mac and cheese, homemade coleslaw, and potato salad and baked beans. So delicious. Our local grocery store had ran a special, which I haven't seen it this way in a long time, but they had pork butts or pork shoulders on sale for 99 cents a pound. Last sale they had, it was $1.79. So to see it at 99 cents, that's crazy. I haven't seen that in a long time, and I had to run out and grab some. I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. Can you believe we're down to the last few days of September? Crazy. Where did time go? Magic splash. Ooh, nice. You know, with these newer bottles, it takes a little bit to get some air, some actual airspace into those bottles. And then it comes out a lot easier. I got another video coming up about that. I'll use some star jelly. I got all these video ideas in my head, and though I have time to make them, sometimes I just feel like I don't have enough time to make them. All right, well, I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used. And I was thinking, what should I call this video? Because it is a late Sunday shave. Not my typical 7 o'clock one. But anyway, with that being said, I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your weekend.